Welcome back to all. Today we will going to discuss most important questions on human disease, which are very important for all the competitive exams. So let's start. First question is cholera, diphtheria, typhoid, tuberculosis, leprosy, plague, tetanus, anthrax, gonorrhea, syphilis, pneumonia are the bacterial disease. Important question. Then next question, worms, measles, chickenpox, smallpox, polio, influenza, common cold, rabies, hepatitis, AIDS, herpes, dengue, yellow fever are viral diseases. Then malaria, filaria, kala azar, not filaria, malaria, kala azar, diarrhea, amoebic dysentery, shipping sickness, pyorrhea and trypanosomiasis are caused by protozoan. These are protozoan disease. Ringworms, athletic foot, scabies, blindness, asthma are caused due to fungus. ELISA test is associated with AIDS. Full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AMS test is associated with carcinogenicity. Carcinogens are substances or agent that causes cancer. Cancer causing genes also called oncogene. Important question. Dick test is associated with scarlet fever. Montauk's test is associated with tuberculosis. Rose-Waller test is associated with rheumatic fever. Wassermann test is associated with syphilis. Weidel test is associated with typhoid. Weissenstein test is associated with plague. Tourniquet test is associated with dengue fever. Biopsy test is associated with cancer. The food poisoning is caused by Clostridium botulinum. It is a bacteria that causes food poisoning. Clostridium botulinum. The disease scurvy is mainly affected skin. The disease pellagra is mainly affected skin. Pellagra, maybe it is pellagra is a disease affected skin. Okay. The disease diabetes mainly affect pancreas. It is actually cause a defect in the beta cell of pancreas which secrete a hormone insulin. Insulin deficiency causes diabetes. The disease tuberculosis is mainly affected to lungs. BCG vaccine Bacillus calmette-guerin is injected to get immunity from tuberculosis, that is TB. BCG vaccination is to be given to a newborn child within 48 hours. The disease diphtheria mainly affect respiratory tract. The disease cholera mainly affect intestine. The disease tetanus mainly affects central nervous system. The disease pneumonia mainly affect lungs. The disease typhoid mainly affect intestine. The disease anthrax mainly affect skin and intestine. The disease gonorrhea mainly affect urinary tract. It is a STD that is sexually transmitted disease. The disease syphilis mainly affect urinary tract. It is also a STD, sexually transmitted disease. The disease jaundice is associated with the liver. The part of body is affected by drinking alcohol, that is liver. The disease rabies is associated with organ nervous system. The virus of AIDS affect the growth of T helper cell. The two organ affected by malaria is spleen and liver. Which part of the body is affected by pyorrhea, that is gums, teeth. The disease herpes mainly affects skin. After how much time the rashes appear on the body after the attack of measles? One day. Leukemia or blood cancer is characterized by abnormal increase of the WBC, white blood cell. The disease affect to the people working on factory ulcer. Disease caused by mercury waste is called Minamata disease. Sugar syrup is used for the prevention of preservation of fruits because it drains moisture to inhibit growth of microorganisms. Glucose syrup is made up of match. Cholera, typhoid, dysentery, hookworm and diarrhea are waterborne disease. Tuberculosis, influenza and smallpox are airborne disease. Malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquito. Actually malaria causative agent is Plasmodium which is a protozoa. Its vector is female Anopheles mosquito. Plague is caused by rat flea. Relapsing fever is caused by lice. Sand fever is caused by sand fly. Kala azar caused by bed block. These are vectors. Dengue fever is caused by female Culex mosquito. The sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma brucei. The vaccine for smallpox was discovered by Edward Jenner in 1786. The vaccine for cholera was discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1880. The vaccine for diphtheria and tetanus was discovered by Emil Adolf von Bluming and Shivaburo Kitsato in 1891. The vaccine for TB was discovered by Calumet and Guerin in 1922. The vaccine for polio was discovered by Salk in 1954. The vaccine for oral polio was discovered by Albert Brucey Savin in 1955. The vaccine for measles was discovered by John E. Anders in 1960. The vaccine for rabies was discovered by Typhus Nicole in 1909. The Ebola virus is named after the river Ebola, which is located in Democratic Republic of Congo. Important question: which region is declared as first malaria-free region in the world? That is Europe. These are two questions. Thank you.